Hello again, YouTube, back with another video. My name is Hezekiah Carlisle. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe right now. Anyway, today we are going to be taking apart 5W71C transmission, basically a K transmission for 240SX. Now, there's not a lot of videos online, so I'm just going to show you how to remove the bell housing and stuff. So it might be a time lapse, might talk through it, who knows. So if you haven't subscribed yet, please do, and let me go ahead and show you. So yeah, this is my transmission right here. Man, I'm telling you, bro, got it for free. Thank you, Wes, for a shout out. And but yeah, I had got this transmission for free from my friend Wes. Y'all should go check out his YouTube channel. I think it's already out. Is it coming soon? But I figured it out. I put in a link in the description. So there's a 5W71C transmission, and we're gonna be taking it apart. So yeah, this is gonna be a process. It's my first time working on transmission, but I know it's on most of the videos. Yeah, this, and they wrote down exactly where everything goes. So make sure you get the sandwich bag and that. I'm not a professional, so we're gonna try. All right, y'all, changing plans. I can't break none of the damn bolts off. Not only that, I don't know what I'm doing. So what we're gonna do is today we're gonna diagnose to see if it's still good or not. Hold up. Come on. There you go. Gotta be strong as hell for this shit. Okay, so I need to go get some more tools, obviously. I only got one bolt off. I can't even get the trans down. I can't even get the I can't even get the bell housing bolts off. I can't get nothing off, but I can show you the condition real quick. It does shift in the gear and stuff, so as you can see, look, I'm gonna shift out a third. First goes in. It's kind of half-assed, so yeah. I have to keep you updated on this thing. Okay, so new plan for today. We're gonna actually clean the transmission up from being dirty and greasy. I know, I promise a rebuild, but to be honest, I need to find all my tools. I need to organize. I should have prepped this. That's my fault. And yeah, that's good for me being stupid as fuck. But anyway, if y'all haven't subscribed, please remember to subscribe. So let's go ahead and start cleaning this transmission. I got most of it clean, which that what matters, you know. So anyway, I don't know, whatever y'all think is the cheapest method to do this, like, I mean, doing it myself is, but obviously I don't want to mess this up. I don't even know how to take off the shift thing. I tried. There's no videos on this transmission, man, I'm telling you, but I'll be real. We tried. I'm sorry today was a bust, but I'll see you guys in next week's video, and hopefully we'll figure out something. But I'm telling you, the next video coming up will be about the Civic, and then we'll figure out something about the transmission. And yeah, so please remember to like, comment, and subscribe to my videos. I know this was a bust, I keep saying that, but you know, we're gonna keep going. We never give up. I'm gonna show y'all all my bad and good times. So a lot of people don't like to show their bad times, so this is a bad time, but we're gonna figure it out. I rather have it done right than me to fuck it up, and then I'll be shifting and drifting on the track, and then bitch break. So like, comment, and subscribe, and thank you for 231 subscribers. We're still at that. We try to reach 1,000. We're gonna make it one day. So anyway, like, comment, subscribe. See you guys in the next video.